Technologies required to provide a VPN. So a virtual private network makes tunnel connection through the internet or any other public network. It is considered ideal for establishing a secure connection between private networks with remote users and remote sites. Using a VPN will allow devices to exchange data across the internet as if it was directly connected to a private network. Users can access data, files, databases, and resources that are stored on their work computer from their home computer. Tunneling protocol and various security procedures are used to maintain privacy while using a VPN. Features of a well-designed VPN include security, reliability, scalability, network management, and policy management. So hardware and software requirements for VPN technologies include internet access, VPN software, which enables private communication over the internet, right? VPN routers, VPN appliances, VPN concentrators. So this is a single device to handle a large number of incoming VPN tunnels. And finally, VPN servers. So secure VPN. All traffic on the VPN must be encrypted, authenticated, and then sent along virtual tunnels. Secure VPN technologies include Internet Protocol Security Protocol, which functions in both transport and tunnel mode. This allows the secure transmission of data over public IP-based networks. Uses standard encryption algorithm to provide confidentiality. Provides authentication via digital certificates. The second technology is Secure Socket Layer 3.0 or Transport Layer Security with encryption. So SSL/TLS based VPNs are much simpler than IPS-EC based VPNs. The use of this technology does not require special client software because all web servers and web browsers support this method of providing a VPN. So trusted VPN. So all traffic on this VPN relies on the security of a provider's network to protect the network. Modern service providers offer many different solutions to trusted VPNs. These can generally be separated into layer 2 and layer 3 VPNs. So trusted VPN technologies include technologies for trusted layer 2 VPNs include asynchronous transfer mode circuits, frame relay circuits, transport of layer 2 frames over multi-protocol label switching, and then technologies for trusted layer 3 VPNs include multi-protocol label switching with constrained distribution of routing information through a border gateway protocol. And then you have a hybrid VPN. So a hybrid VPN technologies are a combination of both secure and trusted technologies, or a combination of two VPN technologies. And then you have a common VPN type. So the first one is site-to-site VPN. This type of VPN connects entire networks and facilitates secure data interchange between two different sites. VPN gateways are used. And then the second one is remote access VPN. So this type of VPN connects individual hosts to private networks and facilitates teleworkers who need to access their company's network securely using the internet. Every host has a VPN client software installed. Yeah, and that's it.
Thank you.